Hello, my name is Lance Morgan, president of Marine Conservation Institute, and your host on a virtual tour to the Lost City. Marine Conservation Institute, along with 40 plus other conservation organizations, make up the High Seas Alliance, a group dedicated to securing a treaty to protect biodiversity on the high seas. The Lost City is a prime example of why we need this treaty to establish marine protected areas and secure the future of this unique place. In the year 2000, oceanographers exploring the Mid-Atlantic Ridge stumbled across something amazing, a field of massive hydrothermal vent chimneys. Located high on the upper slopes of the Atlantis Seamount Massif, the complex of white mineral chimneys rises 4,300 meters from the seafloor. 30 chimneys in all make up the collective Lost City and extend over an area of just 500 square meters. The largest chimney has been christened Poseidon and measures 60 by 100 meters. Some of the chimneys vent hot fluids from holes in their sides, but these are not the underwater volcanoes you might have been expecting. In fact, they are the result of a much rarer phenomenon and could hold vital clues to the origin of life itself. To describe simply what is going on, water far below the seafloor is reacting with rock in the Earth's mantle and changing its molecular structure to turn it into a new form of serpentinite rock. The chemical process involved generates hydrogen and methane and a lot of heat, all of which are discharged in highly alkaline water escaping through vents in the seafloor. The mineral deposits in this geothermally heated water then gradually began to form into chimneys and make these vents. It is thought that the chimneys of the Lost City are at least 120,000 years old, still relatively young compared to the 2 million year old Seamount Atlantis Massif. Geologists, chemists, and biologists are all very interested in what is going down in the Lost City, speculating that places like this could be where life on Earth began. The chemical reactions are capable of supporting an entire ecosystem teeming with life, all without depending on energy from the sun. Moreover, the same process is thought to occur on other planets. So research in the Lost City could help us explore the basic clues for life in outer space. Researchers are also interested in these environments because of the extremophiles. Those organisms adapted these very extreme environments of heat and alkalinity. This is not just rock, however. There is a biodiversity community, teeming bacteria, and many other unique life forms. It is thought that endemism, species that are found nowhere else on Earth, may be as high as 60% in the Lost City. While fishing is unlikely to be a threat in this area, it is also potentially, because of the rare minerals, at threat from deep seabed mining. Right now, the government of Poland has an exploration license under the International Seabed Authority, but luckily no mining has begun and as yet does not threaten this unique community. The Lost City has been recognized as an ecologically and biologically significant area by the Convention on Biological Diversity, and UNESCO has declared it a Marine World Heritage Site. Mission Blue considers it a hope spot, and it is considered a high seas gem by Marine Conservation Institute. The complex topography of the Lost City prevents it from being fished, but there are still many important discoveries to be made here. The Lost City is truly a unique wonder of our planet, yet no mechanism exists to protect it or other places on the high seas. It is critically urgent for us to move forward with this treaty and make sure we have the ability as an international community to protect not just the Lost City, but the unique places that exist on the high seas.